And the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, has also reacted to the latest development. Ms. Llewellyn says her office did not make any recommendations to the police in relation to today's operation. TVJ's Vashon Brown has that story.
The Director of Public Prosecutions says she first heard about the early morning operations via the media. Paula Llewellyn says she was not further consulted prior to the operations. At the same time, she points out that the police do not need to have dialogue with her office about operational matters. Still, is this move by the police unusual?
In my experience, when you have a high public interest matter, it would not be unusual for them to give us the heads up that this is the next stage that they may be going to, because of course all of this will be confidential. It was not really done in this case, but I'm not going to pause.
Ms. Llewellyn argues that the Privy Council has also delivered a judgment in the case of the Commissioner of Police and Ested Roy Benjamin in Antigua, which speaks about the police and the primacy of decision-making. Essentially, the DPP in Antigua argued that Mr. Benjamin should not be prosecuted. The Antiguan Police Commissioner disagreed.
The Privy Council made the point, no DPP or no prosecutor can indicate or instruct a police officer not to initiate prosecution.
But in that particular case, the Privy Council also went further.
They made the point that it is an unwise investigator who ignores or treats with disrespect the recommendations of the prosecutor, because in the final analysis, after the initiation of prosecution, the matter comes before the purview of the court and is in the hands of the prosecutor.
Earlier this year, the DPP had given a written opinion on the matter involving Ruel Reid. The office provided the FID with a detailed 13-page document which includes a legal opinion, guidance and recommendations. Meanwhile, investigators can have their lawyer apply for a fiat, which is permission of the DPP for an external lawyer to work along with prosecutors on the matter.
When I consider whether to grant this permission, usually I would receive, or I would request and receive, a synopsis of the allegations in the matter so that I could match that with perhaps the years of experience of the particular attorney who is requesting the fiat, to make sure that in terms of skill and years of experience, they would be properly able to discharge the very onerous burden that we have as prosecutors.
The DPP can initiate, take over or discontinue any criminal matter at any level. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.